Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check the status of orders on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Etsy.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, of course, you need to go and log into your profile, or of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Etsy. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the categories, where you can see all of the categories that Etsy has. We have the search bar where you can search for anything that you desire. We have the gift mode, Halloween shop, home favorites, fashion fan registry, and a lot of things. But let's see how to check the status of orders on Etsy. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. Sign into your Etsy account or the Etsy application. Of course, you have both that you can go and do. Go to your account if you're using a computer, or go to you if you're using a mobile phone. So going to account, you can click it like here, and this is how you can go to your account. Go to purchases and reviews, which you can see here, the first thing, and find the order you want to track. At the moment, I don't have any orders, that's why I can't track them. If the seller has provided a tracking number, you'll see a track package button. Click this button to see the shipping status of your order. If the seller hasn't provided a tracking number, you can contact them directly to ask for an update or on your order. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that's the everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.